Sir, since the non-membership starts tomorrow, is it advisable to be up till 4:30 so that we can sign so we can like apply for it early, or would the slots fill up?
No, you don't have to worry too much about the slots. Now, see, what would be your procedure is going to be first you will fill first form with your basic details. Okay, so they'll just ask you some basic details. It will be a short form. You will submit that. Okay, and then within few hours to 24 hours, they will email you. Okay, and in that email, they will give you ARN number and your password. Okay. Using that, you will be logging in, and then you can select your paper and pay for it. So anyways, the procedure takes a few hours. It's not something that will happen immediately. Okay, and there is no reason for you to wake up too early or something. I don't think it will start 4:30 or anything. Maybe that it will. The 12 o'clock for them is yes around 4:30 for us, right? So anyways, it's not necessary, but fill the form early morning or maybe by tomorrow. Definitely fill the form, even if you are going to pay later on. Payment methods, the best payment method is credit card. Okay, it's the fastest. But if you are using, you can even use debit card that will have Visa or MasterCard. Okay, now see, a lot of people are having some problem in MasterCard payments. Credit card and debit card, MasterCard payments, they are having some problems. I don't know what the problem is. I don't know how to solve them or when it will be solved or something. But nobody that are paying through Visa, credit card are having any problem. Okay, of course you can pay through debit card as well, but remember this, few months ago the government has released that by default every credit card and every debit card's international payment is going to be stopped. So you are not allowed to do any international payment by default. You have to go to your bank and make sure your credit card or your debit card does have international payment turned on. Okay, so do that before you try to pay. The other method is definitely PayPal is one method. Okay, if you have PayPal account, then you can definitely use it. I have never used it, so I'm not very sure how does that work, but I am very sure you can figure it out. And the third method is bank transfer. If you choose bank transfer as mode of payment, it takes a few days. Okay, so what will happen is they will give you detail of their banks. You will have to take that detail, go to your bank and say this is the details where I have to pay so and so amount. Then they will most likely do that there, or they will send you to some other branch. That happens a lot, especially in SBI. What happens is, or smaller banks, what they do is they say we cannot do international payment from our branch, go to that branch, go to that branch, or go to that branch. Okay, so you might have to figure that out and stuff. So that is why bank transfer takes a little bit of time. And even after everything is figured out, it takes a few hours for bank to transfer that money, and within a few hours your exam would be booked. Okay, as soon as the bank transfer is done, your exam is booked. You don't have to worry too much about the slots. See, there will be 3 slots: 8 a.m., 8:30 a.m. and 9 a.m. There is no reason for you to choose one or the other. There is no priority. Examination is exactly same. Choose any one you prefer. I always choose 8 a.m. so that see, even if 8 a.m. this is UK time, that is nothing but 12:30 in India time, 12:30 p.m. So what happens is that if you choose 9 a.m. it's 1:30. It's not bad. It's just it's delayed. It's more later than what I would prefer. Whatever, it's your preference. Okay,
Sir,
just
so the form to fill the basic details will also release after 12 in
yes.
that time.
Yes, so tomorrow, whenever most likely are 4:30 and 5, only then the form will be released. Okay. So early morning, if you find that form link and stuff, send me. I will post it in the groups. If not, I will try to find early morning tomorrow and post it in the groups. Okay. So anyways, this is the basic procedure. Okay. So if you have credit card or debit card that are Visa or MasterCard, first thing, go tomorrow morning and make sure that the international payments are allowed on it. Okay. And before that, definitely fill the form. By the time you go to the bank and come back, you will find that you have an email with the ARN number and password.